Hello children, good morning to you all. As I told you, I am going to give you a brief introduction about your paper. We are going to have a paper on Monday, no? For that, little information I wanted to give. The other day on 24th, I told I would just give you the information on Sunday. As per my promise, I am going to explain you. Please listen to me carefully. Just I am showing you or explaining the pattern of our paper, how our paper will be. Understand? So, just to listen to me. So, fourth class, we are having model. I am going to teach you how the model of our paper will be. Already I sent you the model paper headings, but here I am giving you an explanation about your social studies model paper. Just 10 minutes I need. So please pay attention and listen to me. Okay. I hope you all are having that model paper. All revisions are over. Everything is over. Understand? And I am going to explain you what it would be. Okay. First we have bit very short answers. I tell you, you will get very short answers. One line answers completely you must write. You may have a choice or you may not have a choice. Read the question and answer. First bit, that bit heading you are going to read. Understand? And read the question properly. More than half the answer is hidden in the question. You can start from the question or you add one word in the beginning and continue the question. That way you have to answer those questions. You have got almost all the very short answer revision. Then second, name the following. You will get so question answers some 4 or 5. And name the following, you will get 5. Then you will get define the following. They also you get 3. 1 each mark. So you are going to write the answers. Heading you read. First, answer the following. Question answers will be given under them. Then define the following. Or whatever may be the how it will be in the exam, I don't know. But these are the topics you are going to get, I am telling you. So then define the following. Name the following. Only names you should write. You don't need to write complete answer. Name any two crops grown in Himalayan mountain region. Name 2 rivers of northern plains, like that. Only names you should mention there. Then define the following you will be having. Understand? And you are having write the capitals. You may get any 5 or you may get 7 sisters northeastern states and their capitals. I am going to give you states names and you are writing capitals names. It can be northeastern states or any states also. Mostly you will get northeastern states capitals you are writing. I will give all the 7 headings here, the states names, and you are going to write their capitals. So first will be question and answers. Second, name the following. Then third, whether it will be teacher you explained, a second will be name the following, third will be define the following. It's not like that, children. It can be given anywhere. Okay, but these are the things you are going to get. Understand? Here you are going to get a 6 or 5 marks. 5 questions or 4 questions, 1.5 mark also you will get. Name the following, you are going to get 5 and 5 marks. 3, define the following, you are going to get 3 full marks you are going to get. Then the next, capitals, north eastern states, capitals. Understand? It will carry 3 marks like that. All you must write. If the spellings are correct, you are going to get full marks. If the spellings are not correct, I am helpless. I have to reduce your marks. Then you will get sort out the following under given headings: crops, capitals. I showed you on the board the other day on 24th. And industries, rivers, whatever they are, words will be jumbled and given. You have to sort out. So, 5th page will be sort out. Mixed they will be given, headings they will be given, and under the heading 2 only will get. It will be for 4 marks. 4 types you will get, 4 marks will get. Okay. Then flow chart I explained the other day. Understand, and I gave the revision in typing the written matter also. You must have got it in your group. So practice it. Next flow chart. For flow chart also you are going to get 3 marks. Next you are going to get complete the following. Here you may get 5 marks. 5 I may give you. Okay, you have got the revision in complete the following very well. Then true or false you may get. Then match the following. In complete the following only you may get, or lesson backside you read. And answer anyone. 8th, match the following. All 3 marks. Then save 8th, 9th, true or false. Then 10th bit, answer anyone. Answer anyone. Here you may get 4 marks. What it will be? Name the mountain ranges in the Himalayan region. Name the physical divisions of India. Name the mass communication system. Or name the personal communication systems. Like that. Anything you can get in there. Understand? Then last will be complete the series. I showed you. Complete the series. I already showed you. In this complete the series, you may get 4 marks. So all rivers names will be given. 3 rivers name. Last one is missing. You can write any river name. Crops will be given. You can write any crop. States names will be given. You can write any state name. Mountains will be given. Any mountains name. Understand? Any means of communication. Last one missing. Any means of communication you can write. Understand? Here up and down will be there. Marks also up and down will be there. It's just I am giving you the idea. This will be the headings of the paper. Under it, what all revisions you got, from them you get the questions. Please learn. You have 2 days. Complete 3 holidays you have got. So, not a problem. Learn. All these topics you are going to get. And only thing you have to do is you have to keep your phone in front of you. Read the questions properly. Take your parents' help. First you write name, class, section, subject, date, and then you start writing on A4 size paper. If you can't write on plain paper, you can draw the lines and write your wish, but write neatly without spellings. So children, all the best for your exams. I hope you write well. Thank you.